Hi everybody! It sure is wonderful to turn on the radio and listen to all your favorite songs of the moment. Letting yourself go and be touched by a guitar solo or listen to a pulsing rhythm of energetic drums played by exceptional musicians. In this course, I'm going to take you on a tour of the world to discover weird and unknown musical instruments. We could make some with strings, wind instruments too, or percussions using the most varied materials. We'll get to know where they come from, the people who make them, the reason why they were played, and obviously the melody they sound. We're going to form a real and original orchestra. Certainly eccentric, but that will surely make you want to know the rhythms, speed, notes, and scores that you can become big musicians in the future. This course is suitable for everybody, even parents, uncles, aunts, and grandparents. Why? Simple! Because music is a universal language and maybe the most ancient one that exists.